Hello everyone. I welcome you to today's session where we'll be talking about ciphers and how we can code ciphers. So we'll just start the discussion with what is a cipher, how it is helpful, where do we use it, and then we'll go into its practical application. So when we talk about ciphers uh, f- from the very early ages, uh, in the civilization, when the wars started, there came a requirement when a communication in which no third person could know what is being told from sender to the receiver. So they got an idea that why not, whatever language we are speaking, say English, Hindi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, whatever language we are speaking, if we modify the contents of that language and only the sender and the receiver knows what format we are using. One such example is Caesar cipher. In Caesar cipher, yes, it you guessed it right. Caesar cipher is after the name of Julius Caesar. So it's during his time when this was being used. So in Caesar cipher, it's a special case of substitution cipher. So in it, if I want to write something, say if I want to write A, B, C, I will not write it as it is. I will write it, say, shifting some words. I'm substituting A for something else. So if I'm substituting A for something else, say 4 digits down the line, B, C, D. So D, for B it is E, and so on. For C it is F. So if this is the scenario for any word, say if the word is hello, how it would be written? It would be written likewise. So fourth digit for every word, fourth digit. For H, it would be IJKL. For A, it was ABCD. For H, it would be IJK, and so on. EFGH, double L, double OR, PQR. So that's how it would be written using substitution cipher or Caesar cipher. Now let's see how we use it in codes, how we can code. So we talked about hello written in plain text. So here is my hash. So we are talking about hello written in plain text. We have to shift this plain text by 3, and we saw it became KHOOR. That's called ciphertext. The encrypted text, the new text, which only the sender and receiver understands, ciphertext. Now, when we talk how to do it in coding language, so even is it Python or any other language, every keyboard input. So if we are talking about keyboard inputs, there are small inputs, there are capital inputs. Small inputs, they range from 97 to 122. This you have to remember for now. Then I will tell you how to know, even if you don't remember, how to know which alphabets is what in a sky value. All right. I want to know individual sky value. I don't know. So currently I know that this is the range. I want to know what is the ASCII value of the code for that is print ord, ORD, and whatever value you want to know. I want to know the value of small a because it is visible to me that it will be 97. Just to show you once, it's taking a time, it's taking a while because it has to connect to Google server. Still executing. 97. So similarly, I want to know what is the ASCII code for O. Sorry, ASCII code for O 111. What would be for Z? It's visible 122. So let's see 122. So this way, with using function ORD and any alphabet you want to see, you can see what's the ASCII value of the same. Now, for capitals, similarly for capitals, say for D, it says 68. So if A is 65, D is for sure 68. Now, can it work the other way around? Can I provide a sky character and it provides me the alphabet? Let's see. So considering lowercase first, so I'm considering the lowercase values. What if I print character 97 and print character 122? What will it show? It will show syntax error because character is CHR and not char. Let's see. 97 is A. So 97 is A, 122 is Z. That's what it is showing. Now, this was the basic thing, basic uh, linkage of alphabets to a sky value. Now we'll be moving into shifting these. So to make ciphertext, to make a code, cipher code, or encrypt your message. How to do that? We'll again shift by 3. You can try it for 4, 5, 6, whatever you want. So A, B, C, D, and so on. They have related a sky value 97, 98, 99, 100, and so on. Their index value, if we talk about index, A stands at 0, B is 1, 2, 3, and so on. Code that will shift this would be print again CHR because it is not char, it is CHR. I want to shift the values by 3. The first digit that I want to shift is, let's substitute E first. So for E, the third digit would be FGH. Let's see. Or E, we are currently checking for E. So here, this bracket is completed. Minus ord of. So first index, first index would be ord of A. We have to shift it by 3. So let's see if this works as required. Odd E minus odd A plus 3. This bracket covers here, character brackets cover here. So you get an output. Similarly, there is a case. So we have to go from A to Z. But what if the character is, say, Z instead of E? You have to provide Z as a character and then it has to rotate back to ABC. So without doing anything, it will show you this. It will say it's unmatched. It will say something like it's saying 28. It's not showing you which character it is moving to. So 28 is 26 is your overall alphabet characters. So 28 means you are doing buffer overflow. You are going out of bound. So out of bound, 26 is your limit and you are showing 28. That means it's out of bound. You don't want it to be out of bound. So that's why for this circular operation, what you will do, you will add a function. We call it percentage. So what is this? This is modulus. It will divide by 26. So now this percentage 28, 26, what it is doing, it is making it rotate again 20, uh, from 26 to go back to 1 and so on. What if I change it to E? It will show me 104. And if I print character, now you know if I want to print character or CHR 104, it's H. So E plus 3 digits, it's H. Similarly, what we did for Z was 99. Now, what if I provide 99 here? It's C. So Z, A, B, C. Hope you got it. Hope it's not that tough. You're not feeling it that tough, although it's all coding, but I believe it's uh, understandable for you guys. So with this, I conclude today's class. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe the channel if you're finding it useful for your learning. Any comments, feedback are welcome. You can use comment box for that. And do not forget that you can reach me out at singhteachesai@gmail.com for any queries. So have a good day. Take care. Keep learning. Bye bye.